The safety of Australia's livestock transporters is the focus of a groundbreaking trial being conducted by the Australian Livestock and Rural Transporters Association in conjunction with Kilcoy Global Foods, the National Heavy Vehicle Regulator and the Federal Government's Heavy Vehicle Safety Initiative. The trial was officially launched on the 23rd of September 2019 by Federal Assistant Minister for Road Safety and Freight Transport, Scott Buchholz.
Being here in Kilcoy today and seeing firsthand the initiatives that have been taking on this pilot project is remarkable. I don't think it'll be too long before we see initiatives like this at every sale yards or loading facility around the country.
Built by Wagga company ProWay, the movable ramp and gantry system allows drivers to easily work with the animals without the need for drivers climbing on the side or the top of the crate.
Probably ranks amongst our top three of our risk factors in our business, where the guys actually have to climb on their crates to set up their doors and their gates and all that, and then to actually push the cattle out. So for loading and unloading, it's a big risk.
Over a 12-week period, the gantry will be available for use on a voluntary basis. A usage fee will initially be set at $15. Every 2 weeks, the fee will be reduced until it's removed completely.
You want your drivers to be home at night with their families. You don't want them injured or, alone, taking risks that are unnecessary. And by having this type of facility here at this plant, that is endorsing those levels of safety.
The project host, Kilcoy Global Foods, see it as another way of setting the standard for a safe and efficient workplace.
Yeah, in a lot of ways. I probably remove the word efficiencies because I think that's a byproduct of doing good safety. So this is legitimately all about improving or eliminating the risks associated with cattle unloading, and therefore the drivers, to make sure that the men and ladies doing the hard work can go home safely to their families at the end of each night.
The industry hopes that the user-paid trial will help build a business case to take to feedlots and sale yards around the country, so gantries can be rolled out at more locations.
$100,000 Australian innovation, and something that probably doesn't exist around the world, can now mean that some guy can come and unload, do it properly, get home safely and not get injured. It's fantastic.
I would hope future abattoirs, feedlots and sale yards will embrace this idea and help our industry stay safer.
The pilot project continues until the end of November.